Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got a fantastic ideas for you. We will be explore split level entryway ideas whether you are a DIY pro or just looking for some inspiration. These ideas are sure to add warmth and style to your space. So grab your notepad and let's dive right in. Make your home feel inviting by creating a friendly garden path to your front door. Imagine a narrow walkway lined with vibrant flowers and stepping stones. This simple design guide visitor strength to your doorstep. The colorful flowers add a natural touch, making the entrance warm and welcoming. It is like nature is giving you guests a cheerful welcome. So by adding this garden pathway, you not only make your entryway look beautiful, but you also make it easy for people to find their way to your door, creating a positive and friendly first impression. Transform your entrance into a vibrant focal point. First, splash a lovely color on your front door for an instant mood lift. Think red, blue, or yellow to catch eyes. Next, jazz it up with stylish detail option for trendy address number that pop and showcase your home personality. Add a decorative warmth and touch of charm that speak volumes. Potted plants bring lift and colors, creating a welcoming vibe. Whether it is succulent flower or herbs, they add a delightful touches. These simple yet effective ideas make your entry stand out effortlessly. So paint the door, hang the warmth, and let your entryway tell a story of warmth and style. Upgrade your entryway by adding a bench that is both stylish and useful. Choose a comfy bench with built-in storage, perfect for keeping your shoes on bags tucked away. This clever addition serves as a handy sitting spot while you put on your shoes. Plus, it is a snaky storage solution that helps keep your entryway neat and tidy by hiding any potential clutter. So not only do you get a cozy spot to sit, but you also solve the age problem of whether to stash your stuff with when you walk in the door. It is a simple way to make your entry both practical and good looking. Light up your entryway in a creative way to using special light, hanging pendant light, or stylish wall to make the entrance brighter. These lights not only help you see better but also look really nice and fancy. They are like decoration that add a touch of class to your entry. So when you or your guest come in, it feel warm and stylish. It is an easy way to make your home look more inviting and beautiful. Just pick lights that you like, install them, and watch how they transform your entryway into a more pleasant and attractive space. Maximize your entryway's usefulness with a flexible and chic entry table. Pick and slim table with drawers or shelves to keep things like keys, mails, and other important stuff organized. Put a nice bowl on top for your keys or a mirror for a quick look before you leave. This not only adds a style to your entry but also keep everything you need right where you can find it. It is like having a neat and tidy command center for your daily essentials. So when you are rushing out the door, you will have everything in one convenient spot, and it looks good too. This idea aims to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your entryway while keeping functionality in mind. Each suggestion is simple to implement and can make a significant difference in the overall feel of your home entrance. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiration ideas.